Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you ionic bounding. Let we see what is ionic bounding. Let we see. Ionic bonding is a chemical bonding. Ionic bonding is a type of chemical bonding that involves the electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions or between two atoms with sharply different electron activity and is the primary interaction occurring in ionic compound. The ionic bond is an electrostatic force of attraction between a positively charged metal ions and a negatively charged non-metal ions. Metals form positive ions because they lose electrons to become stable. One type of chemical bond is an ionic bond. Ionic bond result from the attraction between oppositely charged ionic, for example sodium cation positively charged ions and fluorine anion negative charged ions are connected by ionic bond in sodium chloride or a table star. There are primarily two forms of bonding that an atom can participate in: covalent and ionic. Covalent bonding involves the sharing of electrons between two or more atoms. Ionic bonds form when two or more ions come together and are held together by charge difference. Ionic compounds have high melting point. Ionic compounds are hard and brittle. Ionic compound dissociated into ions when dissolved in water. Solution of ionic compound on metal. Ionic compound conduct electricity but solid material do not. An ionic bond can be found after two or more atoms lose or gain electrons to form an ion. Ionic bond occur between metals losing electrons and non-metals gaining electron. Ionic with opposite charge with attract one another, creating an ionic bond. Ionic bonds are atomic bonds formed by the attraction of two ions with opposite charges. The bond is usually formed between a metal and a non-metal. The bond structure is tough, strong, and frequently crystalline and solid. At higher temperatures, ionic bonds also melt. Water is made up of covalent bond rather than ionic bond. The hydrogen atom shares electron with the oxygen atom, which makes it covalent. Likewise, a water molecule is ionic in nature, but the bond is called covalent with two hydrogen atoms both stating themselves with their positive charge on one side of the oxygen atom, which has a negative charge. In ionic bonds, the electrons in the bond are essentially donated to one atom by the other. Ionic bonds form between atoms when the electron activity difference between them is greater than 1.7. Technical ionic bonds are completely polar bonds, so the terminology can be confusing. When things are different at each end, we call them polar. Some molecules have positive and negative ends too, and when they do, we call them polar. If they do not, we call them non-polar. Things that are polar can attract and repel each other. Opposite charge attract alike charges appeal. The strongest bond is a covalent bond. There are a number of ways in which atoms bond with each other. The strongest form of covalent bond, in which the atomic orbitals overlap directly between the nucleus of two atoms, is a sigma bond. Ionic compounds such as sodium chloride are formed by a transfer of electrons that creates ions. Ions exert electrostatic force on each other, which form ionic bonds. Ionic compounds have a high melting point. Ionic compounds are hard and brittle. Solution of ionic compounds and ionic bonds conduct electricity, but solid materials do not. This is the summary of ionic compound. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you understand. Please guys, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much, guys.